In this video, I'll show you how to see who you follow on LinkedIn. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. If you want to see those you follow on LinkedIn, what you're going to do right now, head over to your LinkedIn, right? Click on my network. I'm going to show you how you can see those you follow here on LinkedIn, right? So you're going to see this following and followers. Click on it. Once it has opened up, it will be displayed with a list of your followers and those you're following, right? So that is like how to see who you follow here on LinkedIn, right? So wait for this to load up. Once it has opened, you're gonna see I'm following some amazing content creators and entrepreneurs right here. Lariada, Gerald Ofodele, Dayaina, Fisayo, and a lot of them. So this is how you can see who follow. This is how you can see who you follow right here on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm gonna see you all in the very next